Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted a simple way to send out statements to your customers directly from QuickBooks, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of emailing customer statements in both QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your statements sent quickly and professionally. Before we dive in, just a quick reminder, make sure your QuickBooks is updated to the latest version and double-check that your email settings are correct. This ensures everything goes smoothly when you're ready to send. Let's start with QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Sales, then select Customers. This will open your customer list. Now check the boxes next to the customers you want to create statements for. Once you've made your selection, look for the Batch Actions dropdown and click on Create Statements. Next, you'll need to choose the type of statement you want. QuickBooks gives you three options. A balance forward statement, which shows the customer's balance from the start date you select. An open item statement, which lists all unpaid invoices. Or a transaction statement, which shows a list of transactions within a specific date range. After selecting the type, set the statement date and the date range for the transactions you'd like to include. Take a moment to verify that the customer's email address is correct. Finally, hit Save and Send, and QuickBooks will email the statement directly to your customers. Now let's quickly look at how to do this in QuickBooks Desktop. Go up to the top menu and select Customers, then click on Create Statements. In this window, you'll first choose the right account's receivable account, then set the statement date and the transaction date period. Next, pick the customers you want to include in the batch. Under the Additional options, make sure to choose Email as the delivery method. Once everything looks good, review the statement and select Send. Just like that, your customers will receive their statements directly in their inbox. And that's it. Whether you're using QuickBooks Online or Desktop, sending statements is a straightforward process that keeps your customers informed and helps you stay on top of your accounts receivable. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more QuickBooks tips, and drop a comment if you'd like me to cover another topic. See you in the next video.